Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chapin. Considerably happier. IMX arrival came at a time when the crypto market began its rally only to recover later. Well, soon after marking an all-time high of $9.3, the altcoin began falling. By 6 March, it had lost almost 87.68% of its value. This affected its investors quite severely, since most of them entered the market around its launch, when the price was way above the recent bottom of $1.15. As a result of the 17.4K total investors on the chain, 99.5% of them fell into a loss. This figure has since reduced thanks to the 58.3% rally witnessed by IMX over the week. Trading at $1.8 at the time of this report, the rise in tokens value managed to save 4% of the investors from losses. Near transferability issues. Additionally, Wormhole creates a channel for the usage of LDOT and LKSM products in other ecosystems as collateral, increasing utility, and the opportunity to leverage additional DeFi services in multiple crypto networks. If Wormhole sounds familiar to the reader, it's likely due to the fact that a bug in the Wormhole protocol was the main technical culprit behind the hack against the Wormhole bridge between the Ethereum and Solana ecosystems, making it possible for the hacker to run away with over 80,000 Ether. Readers are strongly encouraged to use bridges with care, as these technologies are often targets for successful hacks. As recently reported by CryptoSlave, just days ago a bridge, this time the Ronin bridge, not Wormhole, was hacked, allowing the hacker to steal the breathtaking sum of $615 million. Wrapped assets between supported chains. The integration will also open up for ERC-721, Ethereum, and SPL NFTs, Solana, tokens to be transferred between Ethereum, ETH, Avalanche, Avax, Solana, Sol, Polygon, Matic, Oasis, Rose, Terra, Luna, Phantom, FTM, and BNB chain. Finalizing the merge of the two stablecoins. According to the announcement, Akala and Carrera will benefit from Wormhole's consensus abstraction, speed, and upgradability mechanics. Consensus abstraction ensures the transaction process remains lightweight to facilitate high throughput during cross-chain transactions, severely limiting bottlenecks and congested usage. Wormhole Guardians protect the protocol from malicious actors and hacking attempts via observation and attestation of all. In fact, weighted sentiment for XRP has been in the positive territory since about 7 March and was 1.337 at press time. This, despite XRP's price again climbing to a level seen in late February. However, since XRP investors' euphoria has been followed by dramatic price crashes, investors will need to look at both on-chain activity and court updates. Meanwhile, as Santiment noted, Polkadot DOT saw a dip from positive to negative territory, despite a rise in price, and the onboarding of some new paired chains. However, weighted sentiment for DOT has been largely negative since mid-December. Trumpet of a prophecy. Many eyes are on Terra Luna, a rising star asset now among the top 10 cryptos. However, euphoric highs of close to 4 were followed by a fall in price, which led to. That said, investors don't seem to be ready to give up, as weighted sentiment was 0.104 for the asset on 12 March. To keep weighted sentiment above 0, Luna will have to prove that its towering rallies can be consistent. And second use will Immutable X 58% rally save its newfound investors from losses. In a surprising turn of events, Immutable X was seen charting gains in an unfavorable market. The ecosystem developments coming from the Layer 2 scalability protocol for NFTs on Ethereum certainly have had a hand in its growth. Immutable X over the week on 7 March, the 2-layer protocol announced their $200 million Series C funding, which placed the overall valuation of Immutable X at $2.5 billion. Since then, its token IMX has made its investors consider trading on 17 May, the bears forced a retracement. This made the DOT token shed 7.24% in under 24 hours, pegging the price per DOT token at $10.36 at the time of press. Similarly, the market capitalization of the coin experienced some plunging. Recording a high of $11.2 B during intraday trading on 17 May, this has since retraced and stood at $10.23 B at the time of press. On-chain analysis of DOT's performance in the last 24 hours revealed that all might not be well with this token. From a social angle, the token appeared not to have enjoyed much social rep in the past couple of days. Despite the announcement of its upcoming Polkadot Decoded event, the social metrics have taken on a downtrend over the past few days. 152 at the time of press, the social volume after recording a high of 887 9 days ago, declined by 82%. Similarly, the social dominance, attempting to record a spike following the intraday high of 17 May, was forced downwards and stood at 479% at the time of press. On a developmental front, on-chain data showed no meaningful growth over the last few weeks. May has been marked by a steady decline in the index for development activity for the DOT token. This stood at 352, taking on a downward progression at the time of writing. Interestingly, before you lose all hope as an investor, you should note that a MACD bullish crossover was observed at the time of press. Marking their positions below the histogram bars, the MACD line intersected the trend line in an upward direction, indicating a long-term bullish outlook. Tech market sell-off. According to the World Federation of Exchanges, the Nasdaq peaked at $24.5 trillion in December 2021. According to calculations based on the current Nasdaq 100 as of May 16. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. DOTs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market